You can use the library search to find scholarly journal articles that you can use for research, course assignments, or just your own personal curiosity. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Use the text box to enter keywords that relate to the article that you might be looking for. If you know all or part of the title of the article, enter it here. If you know the author, you can enter that as well. Or, if you're looking for journal articles about a topic but don't have anything specific in mind, you can enter a few words that relate to the subject you're researching. For example, let's say you're a student doing a research project on the history of aviation. You don't have a specific article in mind, but your professor said you need to find a peer-reviewed journal article. You can start by typing aviation history in the text box and then press enter or click the magnifying glass to perform your search. The next screen shows all the items in the library catalog that match the keywords aviation history. There's lots of resources listed, but all you're interested in is journal articles. You can use the filters just below the search box to help narrow things down. The simplest way to find peer-reviewed journal articles that match the keywords you entered is to click the Peer-Reviewed Journals button. The page will refresh, and now you see fewer but more targeted results. All the items you see are articles from peer-reviewed journals, not books, magazines, or other types of media. However, it's important to know that just because all of these results fit your basic search criteria, it doesn't necessarily mean they're relevant to your research. For example, the top item probably has some great information, but it might not be exactly what you need. You won't know until you do a little bit more work. Click the title to get more information about the item record, and in some cases, even read it right in your browser. If you scroll down a bit on the search results, you'll find item records that might be more relevant to the research you're doing. Or you can type in more keywords to refine your search. The library search can help you locate resources, but ultimately, you will need to decide which resources are relevant to you. If you need help, you can use the library chat. Visit answers.library.okstate.edu or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.